Now, the next question before us is the soft safety tips which we should follow while doing online transactions. Online transactions have made our life very easier because we do not have to go to the to meet other person to make the payment, or neither the other person needs to visit us to make payment. Millions of online transactions are taking place every day. Whether we want to book tickets or we want to order pizzas, we are doing all these processes online. We are making use of the internet to make payment or to transfer money to someone who is living in some another state, in another city, or in another country. Use of internet has given a boost to online banking as well as to online shopping. But when the use of online banking and online shopping has increased, there are also at the same time certain persons who are known as hackers or some other criminal minded people who are involved in online fraud and identity theft. It is true that online transactions have their own risks, but we can, but it does not mean that we should stop making use of online transactions and revert to the old system of making cash payments. There are certain safety tips which we should follow while we are making online transactions. First tip is we should use strong passwords. We should not use common passwords or the passwords that can be easily guessed. It quite often helps, quite often happens that we keep the passwords in the names of our family members, our children, our parents, or our known friends, relatives, or we keep the date of passwords such as our own date of birth of our relative, or some or date of marriage anniversary. Such type of passwords should not be made. Such type of passwords are very easy to hack. So we should make use of only those passwords which are difficult to hack, because when the passwords are a mix of small words, that is ABCD, or capital words such as DHI, you can see that these are words are written in capital letters, or numbers 8976, special characters, for example percentage, dollar, etc. That is, in all it means that the password should be a mixture of such type of many things. That is, it should be a mixture of capital words, small words, there should also be the numbers, there should be the also the mixture of special characters. All the mixture of all these types of symbols or words should be used to make use of to be used as password. We should also ensure that the length of the password is more than 6 digits. Sometimes we may think that it is very problematic or it is very difficult that what should be the password for a particular type of account. So there is also a solution to that. Change passwords as often as possible, but at least every 3 months. That is, whenever 3 months happen, you should change the password, the online internet banking or debit card or credit card or any other thing. Now we come to the previous question. How should we make passwords more strengthened or which is not easy to hack? So we can take the help of a site which is strongpasswordsgenerator.net. This is the name of the site which you can click on your mobile or computer, and after that you can select the password length, or then you can click any number of, you can make the same, and then you can generate the same. You will, it is very easy to generate password when you open the particular site. Next point, safety tip in the case of online transaction is that we should not use public computers for online transactions. Whenever you are doing online transaction, you should use only your own mobile or computer for the said purpose. Do not use the computers or installed at internet cafes, because it may be possible that the computers are manipulated there. It is not that we are saying that all the internet cafes are doing the same thing. It is quite possible that in some cases the computers are manipulated by the concerned shopkeeper by adjusting its hardware and software, and it may create ultimate problem for you, because all your passwords or the activity which you may have performed on the public computer will get disclosed to the concerned internet cafe. Next safety tip is never use financial passwords on your computer. Whenever you perform some activity on your computer, you might have seen that on the right hand side of the computer, on the upper side, there is some blinking, and it says that whether it should save the password. You should always say no. Next safety tip is install good antivirus software in your computer, mobile, or other electronic devices. Antivirus software is used to protect your computer against malware like viruses, computer worms, spyware, and cyber criminals. Here is the list of few good antivirus software which can prevent, scan, detect, and delete viruses from the computer. This list given here is only for sample purpose. We are not supporting any particular kind of company. It is only for illustration purpose. You can use any antivirus software which is good as per your opinion, or you can seek the guidance of your own computer expert for the same purpose. Next safety tip is use secure sites. Now, what are the secure sites? Secure, whenever we visit site, the site may begin with HTTP or with HTTPS. The site which begins with HTTP is not secure site, but the site which begins with HTTPS is secure site. So we should remember that we should give details of our credit card or bank account only on secure sites. See in the address bar of the browser. This is the address bar. We are to look here. If the site starts with HTTPS colon / and a lock symbol, this is the lock symbol, then it is safe to give your credit card and bank details. You can also see that this is the our own website, and it also starts with HTTPS. That is, our website is also a secure site. Next safety tip is deal with reputed websites only. You may be prompted by an ad which may be flashing on your computer or on your mobile that something is being offered at a very reduced rate, and you may be prompted by the same, and you may immediately try to buy the same that product at the same is being offered at a very discounted rate. But beware that you are to purchase only from that website which is reputed or which is known to you, because it has also been seen many times that the hackers or the criminal intended minded people often use such type of tricks to lure the general public and and so that they can steal their money online. So do not pay directly to any website unless you know about it. Seventh is online shopping tips. Always log out of bank and merchant sites after you have completed your transaction. It means that whenever you are purchasing something through Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, or any other site, or you are making transferring money to some eh, of your relative or to some other shopkeeper, whenever you have completed the transaction, you must log out of the bank or merchant site immediately. You can see here that log out. Next safety tip is run virus scans regularly on your computer. It is not that you have installed antivirus software on your computer and you are not running the same. Make it a routine to run antivirus scan after a few days regularly. It will save your computer as well as mobile from the likely viruses or malwares or other trojans which might have hit your computer or your mobile. Now, an a point which may subtract to our mind is what is the importance of secure passwords. If we use the same passwords repeatedly or we use weak passwords, then what will happen? It can create a lot of problem for the for us, because the criminal intent minded people or the hackers are very intelligent persons. They use many techniques to crack your passwords. So always use secure passwords. If the hacker cracks your passwords, he can access your social media account, bank accounts, emails, and other sensitive accounts that you hold your confidential and personal data, and you can become the victim of identity theft. Now, here lies the importance of secure passwords. Why we should have secure passwords? You have seen that if we do not use secure passwords, the hackers can cause us devastating loss to us by approaching our bank account. They can take away all the money which is being kept in our accounts. They can go through our confidential emails or the sensitive information which might be there in our email accounts, which may be pertaining to our organization or which may be pertaining to the national security if you are working in a sensitive government department. So creating a strong password is very important. Therefore, you should know what makes a strong password so that you can provide maximum security to this sensitive information which might be stored in your computer or mobile phone. To have a secure password, you should never use your name, family member's name, or anniversaries or other birthday dates as password. It is quite possible that we are having a few accounts in different banks. So please do not do a mistake of keeping the same password for different credit cards, debit cards, or different saving accounts or current accounts in different banks. You should have different passwords for each account. Next point is we should change automatically generated passwords. As I already told, that a secure password is a mixture of upper and lower cases. Uppercase, this is the lowercase, numbers, these are the numbers, and symbols, these are the symbols. And further, the length of the password should be more than 6 characters. Now, what is online shopping? E-commerce is also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce. It means operating a business online. Online shopping is a process of buying and selling goods and services through internet. All of us today do online shopping. Many days we do online shopping many times in a single day. What we need to have for online shopping is active internet connection as well as sufficient balance in our bank account or sufficient balance in our bank account as well as or payment in cash in our hands so that whenever the product arrives we can make payment of the same. Customers can pay online using credit card, debit card, internet banking. Sometimes some organizations also give the facility of cash on delivery. It has also been seen that whenever we want to buy the product online through Amazon, Flipkart, or any other site, some sellers do not give the facility of cash on delivery. They are always insist for online payment. First, online shopping is useful if a customer does not have sufficient time to visit store. Whenever we want to purchase something, in the case of traditional system, we will go to the shop and buy the product. But if we do not have time or we cannot go to the market because of any reason, you can buy the product online. It has also been seen that the product of the service which you want to purchase may not be available in the local market because a large number of products are available in the market, but you want a specific product or the product has been recently launched in the market and the same is available 1000 kilometers away from your house and it has not reached your local market. So you can buy the said product through online shopping. Online shopping saves time, multiple choices, and reasonable cost is there. You can visit Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, and find out a particular product. Suppose you want to purchase a television or want to purchase an AC. You can compare the prices of the particular product on different sites. You will find out that the particular site is giving me the same product at less price as compared to the others. You can go for the same. In the case of local markets where we go to the purchase the thing in person, it it is it has all it has been seen many times that the discount offered by the online through online shopping is more, because the traditional shopkeepers have to incur heavy expenses on electricity, on furniture, on installing various types of electronic gadgets, or making a beautiful mall or shop. Whereas in the case of online shopping, such type of extra expenses have not to be incurred. So in the case of online shopping, discount is more. Next benefit of online shopping is that reviews of the products are also available online. Whenever you want to product something on online, you will you can see that the reviews have been given by the persons who have previously bought the same product, and it, and after going through the reviews, you can form your own opinion whether we should buy the said product, keeping in view the reviews given by the previous customers who had purchased the same. Now there are many demerits of online shopping. Whenever you want to purchase a cloth or something other item, you can have a touch of the same. You can feel that the particular type of cloth is very smooth, or its color is very bright or dull. But in the case of online shopping, when the you are having only the product in picture form, you cannot have the physical touch of the same, or you cannot have the correct color. Further, many times whenever we make payment online, the payment gets struck. There are also the chances of online fraud. So online payment is, we cannot say that it is completely safe. There is huge risk of online fraud, but we it does not mean that we should not do online shopping. There are many benefits for the same. While doing online shopping, we should keep in mind the safety tips which we have discussed earlier while making the payment online, while doing online shopping. Now, what is the meaning of OTP? OTP stands for one time password. This is a two-factor authentication when you log in to a website or process a transaction. It means that whenever you are going to make the payment to someone, first you have to mention the password which you are having with yourself. You may enter the same. Then there is another password which may come to your mobile or to your email, which you have also to enter the same on the concerned site, and only after that the payment is through. We have discussed all this. In most cases, OTP is 6-digit number. Do not share the OTP with anyone. Some of the popular online transactions websites are, in the case of India, we are making mention of the same, IRCTC. This is the online portal which is being used by many for booking flight and train tickets. Flipkart is the online shopping portal for buying consumer products. Redbus is the website for booking bus tickets. Amazon is the American e-commerce company which has its headquarters in Washington. We have only given the name of few. It does not mean that only these websites are popular and the others are not. We are giving the reference of the same only for the purpose of example. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.